Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Bundles Hair CA. Today we have a very fun video. We're going to be packing some orders for my brand ambassadors, so let's definitely get into this. So very first order we have is for 2 products, so I'm just gonna pack them all together in the same bag, but let's put this together. So basically this is CEO of Lashes 5-piece lash set. We are going to be sending this out to my brand ambassadors, so we're just going to put all of the packaging together. As you can see, this is a 5-piece cat eye lash set, natural, fluffy, voluminous, but still something you can wear every single day. I love these lashes. And these are available on my website to order, so I will leave a link in the description to these, and you guys can definitely order those. But yep, so this is the packaging that CEO of Lashes comes in. Goes with our CEO theme, and alright, so this is what it looks like in the box. Perfect for sharing on social media. And yeah, so we also need to put a sticker on the box. This is of course my logo. So we're just going to take one sticker and we're going to place it in the center of the box. So yep. And this is the product we're going to ship out. So this can go first into one of our mailers that I showed you guys in my first video. So I'm just going to place that in here. And last but not least, we need to show you guys the second product that my brand ambassador has ordered. This is the new swimsuit we have in stock for the end of summer. It is so beautiful. So this is size small, and they have clear straps at the side, and this is the top. These are the straps. I just love this swimsuit. Yeah, this is size small and it comes in many colors. So I'll be putting this on my website as well. So anyways, I'm just going to put this back in the packaging, place it in the mailer, and we'll be taking these to Canada Post. And my second package is also going out to another one of my influencers. So we have another CEO of Lashes going out, and this is the box that it comes in. So yep. Gonna place it inside the box. anyways, yep, so this. All right, so for our second package, we are just gonna place the sticker on to the box with our logo. And again, all of the links to these products will be in the description. So it just comes in one of our small mailers, a bubble mailer. And we are just gonna place this inside this bag. We can seal this package. And it is good to be sent out to my bundles influencers. So these are the packages that we have going out today, and I'm literally so excited for the wonderful influencers to get these, and I just hope they love the stuff that I'm sending. So see you guys later. I will tell you guys how you guys can become influencers, and I will also leave all the links to all these products in the description. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.